now just 1, 2. Just 1, 2. So double it up. 1, 2.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
And just get that Redondo. Remember, Redondo means to circle. So again, always understanding that the edge of the knuckles equals where the edge of the blade would be. And so you're turning, bring the blade up to the top, punch it out, and then it rolls right back down and in. You create this circular motion. Turn the hip over, so hip and heel actually turn back so that you can elongate the shoulder. And just roll it. Roll it. Let's go from the side. So make sure the body, don't just do the arm, make sure the body turns and you elongate the shoulder. Now Redondo is very whip-like. Roll that shoulder forward, and that's what generates the whip. And each time comes right back to a closed position, using the live hand to check on the bicep. Make sure that when it goes over, the wrist turns up. So it's all knuckle, not this. Don't throw it, don't backhand it out, right? Don't backhand it. The wrist comes up.